I am Mechtilda, born in 1241 into a noble family in Saxony. At age 7, I entered the convent of Helfta, where I grew in prayer, music, and mystical contemplation. I became renowned as the monastery's cantor, raising the hearts of my sisters to God through chant and song. My visions revealed the deep love of Christ for every soul, especially the tenderness of His Sacred Heart. I guided others in the spiritual life with wisdom and joy, leading them into intimacy with God. My writings, filled with devotion, inspired countless believers. I died in 1298, remembered as a mystic of the Sacred Heart. To you, I say, let prayer be not only words, but song. Open your heart to the love of Christ, who longs for you as a bridegroom for his bride. In His heart, you will find joy beyond measure,